Hey everyone, what's up? So here is part 2 of my model train stuff purchase. So as you know, I did my review of my new NS AC44C6M from Mountain Roundhouse. So right here we have a rolling stock. This is a Bachmann Silver Series Norfolk Southern 100-ton hopper. And as you can see, it's a Bethlehem steel 100-ton 3-bay hopper. So we're going to do a review on this. So here we go. So as you know, it slides out like this, and it's got these things at the bottom. I believe that these are things that just like add a little bit of weight to the car. So as you can see, there's no protection over it. So all you gotta do is just pull it out like this. You just gotta pull it out careful. I'm not sure what, actually I'm not really sure what these are, but if you guys know, just leave a comment. I don't know, what do they do and stuff. Alright, so we got out of the box. Let's sound the tracks. Alright, so now that we got this out of the box, so first things first, this is actually like a modern freight car for any of you guys. So it's like, so as you can see, it's this car. It's like new 1089, so it's probably built in October of 1989. So it'll be a pretty fair. So this should be appropriate for any modern railroaders. So modern era layouts and stuff like that. So it's got the older NS scheme, and it's number 144920. It's a coal. It's got really nice details. Like it's got nice details on these bay areas, on the bays. It's got a brake wheel. You got the brake wheel, the Bachmann Easy Make couplers. The steps and stuff look really nice. It's even got a coal load on the top, which is really cool. It's really nice. Lots of good detail here. Trucks are really nice. I think the paint on this is actually really crisp. It looks really nice. And here we'll just feature the project detail. Looks real nice. I've always been wanting one of these Bachmann hoppers. It's actually pretty lightweight, but it's not too bad. So far, I think this is actually a really nice car. I actually really love the coal load, but I'm not sure if it's removable or not. Wait. Probably. Not really sure. Well, after all, I think this is a really good car. I thought it would make a great concept for my NS train. So I plan on making a unit coal train, even though it's pretty much not Kansas City based, but still be alright. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, bye.